You're now tuned in to Low Key Fanatic, and if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and like the video if you like the video. But today we're going to be unboxing the DJI OM4. It's a smartphone stabilizer which costs $149 on Amazon, and the price might go down for Christmas. Who knows? Who knows? But let's get into it and see what we got inside the box. And also, I made a video giving these away. So if you want them, I'll leave the link to that video in the description below. And you have to live in the United States, because I ain't got no money to send this shit to fucking Australia or the UK or India. I know you guys are from there and you guys comment, and I know a few of you, but I don't got that type of money, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a small channel. That's why I'm asking you to subscribe and like, so I can grow, so then I can one day send you some stuff to India or UK. But this is cool. Like, I've seen other videos on this stuff, and I don't think I'm gonna be using this. So basically what do? You stick it on the back of your phone with this 3M sticky with this ring-like thing, and it's permanent on your phone. You get like one sticky thing, and it's like, I don't think I'm gonna use this because I like using a case on my phone. So this is a good option to have, but I'm not gonna use that. And it comes with a little bag, but I think I have an option where you can like maybe buy a thin case, stick this on the case, and stick it on your phone, and then swap out cases every time you want to use this thing with the magnet. That's one option I'm thinking that you can do. I'm no scientist, but you know, I'm guessing that's what you can do. And what else comes in here? Like instructions that's like packed very tightly, which no one wants to see, right? This is like a Bible. Holy hell. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just learn this on the go or watch some YouTube videos. That's too much. Too much. And a lanyard, is that what it's called? Yeah, I'm not using that. But this is what we really want to see, and this is what we're going to be using in most of my future videos, so I can do stuff like this. Let's see. Stuff like that, right? Okay. And like I said, it's on Amazon. I put a link to where you can buy it. It costs $149. And this thing is cool, man. Like, it has gesture controls, so I can go like, stop, and then the video will stop, or I can be like, peace, and then I don't know what that does. I don't know the gestures, I gotta learn them, but I'm guessing it's something similar in that nature. And this is a tripod mount for this thing. This thing goes on your phone. See, like expands. Very, very hard to expand. Another riser pad for small phones. Oh, so if you have a small phone, which, throw it away. I don't know why you have a small phone, 2020. Get a big phone, big boys, or big girl, if you're a girl watching this. Type-C cable. I have like 50 of these from products I buy, so another one won't hurt. And some gel. So when you get hungry, do not eat this. I'm kidding, do not eat it. Throw it away, right away. Whatever you're doing, toss that right now. And here's the DJI OM4. Looks like, okay, power button. How do I open? What do I? Oh, I force it open. I use my strength, my brute strength, and then I hold the power button down, and it says green light, welcome. So this is dope. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna have to figure out some stuff on how to use this properly without breaking it. But one thing I learned was, like, you double tap the trigger button and it like centers it for you. But did you just see that wiggle? Yeah, I'm not gonna break this thing. So in my future videos, I will be using this so I can make better videos for you guys, because it's all about growing and making better content on YouTube. Because if you just keep doing the same thing, you're pretty much saying, I don't want to become better. I'll just power this off. Hold the power button down and power off. and this thing like locks into right there. See those little grooves right there? But that's it, and fits perfectly back in here. And yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. This is Low Key Fanatic, and I'm out.